Work breakdown structure, Gantt charts, network analysis. A work breakdown structure, WBS, is a tool used to decompose a project into smaller, manageable components. It provides a hierarchical breakdown of the project's deliverables, starting from the overall objective and progressively dividing it into work packages and tasks. The purpose of the WBS is to ensure clarity on what needs to be done and to avoid ambiguity regarding responsibilities or scope. By identifying and structuring work elements, the WBS allows effective assignment of roles, estimation of time and cost, and better forecasting of resource needs. It also supports communication because team members and stakeholders gain a shared understanding of project scope and interdependencies. The WBS forms the foundation for scheduling, budgeting, risk identification, and performance monitoring. Without a well-developed WBS, projects are more vulnerable to scope creep, overlooked tasks, or misaligned expectations. Therefore, the WBS is considered a core planning tool that strengthens control and coordination throughout the project lifecycle and ensures that all required work is accounted for and logically structured. Gantt charts are visual scheduling tools that display project activities, durations, and timelines in a horizontal bar format. Once tasks are identified via the WBS, they are sequenced and plotted on the Gantt chart to show when each activity will begin and end. Gantt charts provide a clear picture of progress over time, making it easier to communicate status and coordinate activities across work streams. They are particularly useful for identifying the timing of overlapping tasks and detecting potential scheduling bottlenecks. Milestones and deadlines can be highlighted to reinforce key delivery expectations. Gantt charts also support tracking, as actual progress can be compared against planned timelines. If delays occur, the project manager can assess the implications and revise the schedule or allocate resources accordingly. The visual format helps stakeholders understand the project plan at a glance, aiding transparency and alignment. Because of their accessibility and ease of interpretation, Gantt charts remain one of the most widely used scheduling tools in project management. Network analysis focuses on identifying task dependencies and determining the most efficient sequence of activities to achieve timely project completion. Tools such as the Critical Path Method, CPM, and Program Evaluation and Review Technique, PERT, help map relationships between tasks, highlighting which activities must occur in sequence and which can run in parallel. The critical path represents the longest chain of dependent tasks. Any delay in these activities will delay the entire project. By visualizing this path, project managers can prioritize resources, monitor key risks, and manage deadlines proactively. PERT adds the dimension of uncertainty by estimating optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely task durations, allowing more realistic schedule forecasting. Network diagrams also support scenario planning because the impact of changes can be analyzed before decisions are finalized. Network analysis therefore enhances strategic scheduling, risk management, and informed decision-making. When integrated with a WBS and Gantt chart, it strengthens control over time, resource use, and project execution efficiency.